and thanks for watching my today what's in my Aliexpress basket. Don't forget you can click on the link in the description to order any of the products shown. So we have a bit of a variety today. The first thing is the stitched scallop layering circle dies. You get 5 dies and they're £2.12. Great for card making, for layering and lots of different projects. Always handy to have in your craft stash for sure. The next one, we have 4 dies and they're English words. They're £3.09 and you get all 4. So I think you've got happy birthday. What is the other one? I just thought these were very handy, you know, for quick sentiments. Hello friend, you go girl, get well soon. Yeah, just really handy to have, and not very expensive for the 4. You know, I thought it'd be £3.09 each, but they're not. They're for all 4. So a real bargain there. Great to just pop on a card. Look at this lace frame die, £3.23. Just really, really, really pretty. You could make a pop-up card, not a pop-up card, a shaker card with that. You also have the edges, if you just want edging on those as well. So there's a couple of dies there. Then we have these nesting scalloped, excuse me, square lace frame dies, and I didn't put a price down for that one. What a dingbat. It is in the link, the description, so I don't know what happened there. I completely forgot to write, but look at this. Very, very pretty. Again, you know, I just think that these are items that are really handy to have in your craft stash. You know, just so they're there to make your borders, your edges, your layers, layering layers for your cards. Oh my gosh, can't get my words out. And I have a couple of bows today. This is a butterfly bow die, and it's £2.05. So it makes this bow, and it's obviously got a butterfly on it as well. I do have a couple of different bows in my collection now, and I've got another one coming up, which is this sort of scalloped, decorative bow die, this one, sorry, £1.52. Then I have a couple of stamp sets today. So I have a vintage letters stamp set, and that is £2.13. Just lovely to put on your vintage projects, definitely. Look at this beautiful 3D layered flower, £2.71. Very, very beautiful. I had got another one which is quite similar, but I love this die. Love it. Love it. Just think it's beautiful, and it's quite big as well. More nesting dies. These are nesting rectangle dies, £2.26, and you get 5. So this gives you quite a few different sizes for your project. So there'll definitely be one here that you can use. Really handy to have. Very pretty. I love this one. It's weird because, you know, I've gone through a phase of finding layering dies today. There's another stamp set, which is just background words, and this is 81p. It's a smaller one, but it's good if you're just putting a little bit on some of your projects. Then I have more nesting dies. Well, not nesting, but these are stitched rectangle frame dies. You get 4 dies, and they are £2.01. And again, you know, the sizes are really great. This is more of a sort of straighter edge rather than decorative. And then we have this lace strip die, £1.37. How pretty is this die? Just gorgeous. I mean, look, on that card, you've just got that strip and then just embossed words and a stamp. So how easy would that be once you've got your background card? Really, really super easy to make. And we have these scalloped lace heart dies. You get 3 dies, and they're £1.92. And as you can see by, you know, the hand in the picture, that the bigger one is quite a nice big size. I don't know in inches because I didn't write it down because I'm naughty like that. I didn't put them down. Okay, we have a couple of resin flowers, resin things that have popped into my basket today. And the first one of these resin flowers, you get 40 pieces, 68p. You can either have one colour or you can choose mixed colours for that. Very pretty. And then we have these romantic tag dies. You get 6 dies and they're £1.91. So again, lots of nice sizes, giving you lots of different variety here with these dies. Oh gosh, I just love my dies. I love everything to do with crafts. Right, pearl resin flowers coming up here. They are 10mm, and you get 100 pieces for 77 pence, and you can have white or beige. You can choose between the two. I kind of like the beige ones more. They're like an ivory colour, aren't they, really? But 100 pieces, and they're quite a nice size. They're not too tiny, so really good. Look at this die. This is a Peekaboo tag. Oh my gosh, I have so many ideas already for this one. It's £1.77. Look at that. How cute is this die with the little Peekaboo message window? And look, you can put it on a card or you can use it just as a tag. Awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you could stamp something. Oh, you could put so many different things behind there. Then we have these flatback, little, well, multi-sizes, flatback pearls, sorry. They're AB colour, and they go from 3mm to 14mm, and you can choose between, well, you get 50 to 1,000 pieces. So obviously if you go for the 14mm, you're only going to get 50 pieces, and they're 71 pence up to £1.11. So thank you so much for watching today's episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Don't forget, you can click on the link in the description to order any of these products. Take care for now. Please like and subscribe, and see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.